Hello friends, we were discussing about heart. Today I am going to explain you one of the most wonderful pose. It's called Kurmasan. Kuru means turtle, and I am right now using this Yogdand. We will explain about this later on. Kurmasan is like very popular pose, but if someone who is already suffering major heart related challenges, they should take consent of doctor first of all, then they should start. And most of the doctors, they allow us until unless someone who underwent major hip replacement or major spinal surgeries. So for this pose, what you need to do, just get onto your mat, spread your legs at least 2 feet wide open, then you need to inhale, and while exhaling, pass through your arms. Make sure, if it's in your best interest, if it's possible for you, to touch your forearms below your thigh. Otherwise, this one is also fine initially. Understand, whatever is your mobility level, you will get the best benefits, so don't worry about it. But eventually you will improve your mobility, so make sure you keep on extending your pose. So pass through your arms while exhaling and just maintain it. Then if your hamstring and lower back allows you, just try to keep your legs straight out of this, within your range of motion. Do not over push or overstretch, that is very important. And try to place your forehead on the ground, not chin, just forehead. Stay here for around 90 second to 120 second. Keep your breath very normal, spontaneous, easy. It will be relatively short breath and slow breathing. So allow your body to manage your breathing naturally. Once you finish your 2 minutes, you need to again inhale and bring your heel back to your hips, towards your hips, and while exhaling, just keep your spine straight and relax in seated rest pose like this. So it's very easy pose. I'm getting back to my Yogdand. So it's very easy pose. Almost anyone can do it. At our center, people from their 60s to 70s, or like from their 20s to 30s, they are doing it. And we do have a lot of variations also. If someone who cannot do it, we do have bolsters also. See. We use a bolster if someone who has very tight hamstring, so they will get the proper benefit. So they will sit on their hamstring, they will sit on this bolster, then they will inhale, and while exhaling, pass their hand, and then they will do it within their range. So this is one of the option, and eventually you can do further down. Inhale and come back. So there are plenty of benefits of this pose. So we already know what is a turtle. The kurma means we will going to bring down our heart rate. So if someone who is like high blood pressure patient or hypertension, person who is suffering from hypertension, if they are practicing this pose 2 to 3 times a day, morning, noon and evening, it's a myth that yoga pose should only be practiced in morning. If someone who really want to get benefit, which is more of therapeutic, they can repeat 2-3 times in a day at Sandhya time. So it will bring down your heart rate, it will manage your blood pressure. Addition to that, this is going to provide you major relief from digestive related issues. And if someone who is suffering from Vat or Kapha Prakriti, this is one of the best pose for them, and this is going to affect your Manipur chakra. For more information, you can go through our app and website. It's called Excel Yoga School and excelyogaschool.com. See you in next video. Bye bye.